This isn't a gloat, but you got to be honest. How many repair shops will do like Hotheads Marine and Kenneth Walker here, who's taking the initiative? This is just a 4.3 MerCruiser. We're doing some exhaust work on and changing the valve cover gaskets. You can tell by the new rubber grommets there. He's changing the gaskets on both sides because they were leaking a little bit. And he's got his inch-pounds torque wrench. How many inch-pounds does it torque to?
89 to 90 or 7.5 foot-pounds.
89 to 90 or 7.5 foot-pounds. Now this wrench does go foot-pounds or inches, right? I think 99 is max, so you've got it set at
7.5 foot-pounds.
foot-pounds. Go ahead, show me how you torque one of those. Because I tell you what, if you over tighten one of those, that's a plastic valve cover, but those bolts bottom out and they will snap off, or you'll crush the gasket, or you'll do some damage.
Right there.
Now this is a beepy one.
Yeah, it's kind of hard to stay level, but it's torque.
It
It's
goes
vibrate
beep,
and it vibrates.
and it vibrates. But that's taking pride in your work to torque the valve cover bolts on this older 4.3 GM. How many shops do that? Y'all let me know.